So in conventional medicine, again, conventional medicine is focused on disease states
Mhm.
and treating a disease state. So I'll give you an example. You go to your doctor with anxiety. I've got anxiety. They're like, great, I'm diagnosing you with anxiety. Okay, so it seems a little circular, right?
Mhm.
And the treatment for anxiety is an antidepressant. Here you go. Done. Dunsies. So that's kind of where it ends. Name the illness, treat the illness. In functional integrative medicine, we're like, okay, you're anxious. Why do you have anxiety?
Mm.
Okay, you would think that that would be the logical next step. Not always, right? So, that's, okay, do you have a nutritional deficiency? Do you have brain hormones that are depleted because you're not getting enough of a certain amino acid, a certain
Mm.
nutrient in your body? Are you ingesting toxins unknowingly? Like, in children, lead, we have to think about lead. I don't know if you remember all of that crazy water up in Detroit when they had, lead in their water, like that can be a reason. You have a thyroid illness that no one has checked for. So there's all these underlying possible reasons that you're anxious, right? Yes, of course, we can't ignore psychological stresses. That's why we have therapists, right?
Right.
Therapists are our friends. We love them. There's other things.